guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be unboxing the EXEC NUNA car seat. I believe that's how you say it. I'm going to be unboxing it with my husband and my daughter. If you guys would like to see how it looks, please keep on watching. Ben, she'll be interested in it.
Mira, mami.
Mira.
Mira. Whoa, mira. Mira. It's your present. Wow, mira. What are you? Mira. Whoa. You want to show the box?
No.
Whoa.
Say hi, Melanie.
Say hi, Mama. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi.
Hi, Melanie.
Whoa. Mira.
Wow.
Wow.
My husband's helping me open it, guys.
Wow, this is nice, Mas. Were you not doing that?
Wow.
Wow, mommy, that's for
What does
you.
it come with? What is that?
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, like inserts.
Oh, it's inserts. I'll put like the baby. Okay.
Yeah. You want this one? Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Wow, looks nice, mommy. Wow.
Mira, new car seat. ¿Le quitas esta llave, verdad?
What is it, an insert?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Well, no, because it...
Yeah, she's
Oh.
not that baby.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't think so.
Alright. Thank you. Eh? Well, check the manual. Los sizes here. Here.
Here, thank you. Hey, mommy.
What is age appropriate? Well, show the camera. Show me what it does. Dale el book de mientras. Y ahorita se enfada del book. It has more inserts.
Yeah, this is
More inserts for infant.
in the box, mommy. Over there. Whoa. Whoa.
Are you sure that's the right the right side insert?
Yeah, you just gotta take all this off.
Okay. So you guys can actually use this as your newborn. With your newborn. A ver, show me cómo se hace, babe, like para que se hagan like recline.
No sé todavía.
There you go, sick. A ver, show me again. Show me again. Wow. Nice. It reclines so when the babies want to go to sleep. I think she's ready.
Oh. It gives you the different, like for rear facing, 5 to 50 pounds, forward facing, 25 to 60, and then booster seat, 40 plus. So you get different settings. You just press the button here, and it swivels.
Wow. Cool.
She's gonna be there.
Numbers change, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
It has little cup holders.
Ooh, we like that. Oh, it pops open.
Yeah.
Well, there's two, right? Two cup holders. like it.
Infant insert. Raise headrest.
Oh, look at that. So when they get older, right? Till 12 years old, or what was the age? 8 years old or something, babe?
Yeah. Hey, mommy. Hey. What are you doing?
So you can use this through the whole time. You don't have to be buying and buying more car seats or anything like that. So you can just use this and you're ready to go for a long time. You don't need to buy any more booster seats or anything. What does it say? What is that?
That's weird that they didn't put anchors.
Anchors. So we can put this one in any car. You know how the other one, the people, you have to have it in one certain car. Well, with the.
Yeah, this one is the seat itself. You can't move it.
You can't move it.
Okay, so we don't need that because that's what she's a baby. We're not doing it no more. Okay, mamas.
Alright, try to put her in there. Daddy gonna put you in there, okay? Like it? ¿Te gusta? Say thank you, Daddy. Wow.
Wow, mamas. Wow.
So nice. See? Okay. Now the paper. Whoa. You look like a big girl. Hi. Hi. Wow, you look so much better in that one, Princess. It was about time, Daddy.
And then we can scribble her while she's on there.
A ver. Show me again. Nice. Is it a ride? Do you like your ride? She's smiling.
To go to bed.
You go, Mimi?
Nice.
Good
You like
job. Nice, she said.
It's like the other one where you just press the button.
Oh, to make it bigger?
Yeah, to make it.
Okay, to give her more room. Wow, good job. You like it? She hated the other one already. You're able to sit up. Okay guys, that's it for this unboxing video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell on so you will get notified every time I do post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.